welcome ladies and gents. We are off to get the Pulsar. Side note, if you want to support the channel, you can rock this awesome Pulsar GTiR shirt. That's right, I wear my own merch. You can find it actually linked in the description box. There's one of these with Rising Sun, obviously, you know, Godzilla in the background, baby GTR, cherry blossom, and there's also an R32 one as well, R32 GTR. So grab them whilst you can, help support the builds. Anyway, I said in the last video that there was problems with the Pulsar. Funnily enough, in that same video, Jez messaged me and said, hey, look, you know, I figured it out. Well, he said, I'm going to test it today, figure it out, and it should be good to go and get it tomorrow, basically. It's all fine. I can go and get it now. It has increased the bill a little bit more, which obviously, you know, that's why I haven't revealed the full amount yet, because it has cost me more money, which was kind of the point, just to wait and see. Yeah, so we're going to go get that now. We'll drive back in the Pulsar, then we'll go back later tonight to go pick up my Z. It's bloody musical cars, basically. So we're going to go there, get it, and then just talk through whether it feels any different and just show you the car, basically. Bit of a vloggy day today, more than anything else. There she is, ladies and gents. Cold start, I guess, I hope, maybe. Oh, she sounds good. She sounds good. No reverse lights. Do need to sort that. Look at it. My little shitbox. What a beauty. Love it. Don't worry, baby. We'll be back for you later. Maybe. No, we will. We will. I love you. I love you. Right, so we're in the Pulsar again. Oh, let me show you. This is faulty ECU. Basically, someone took this thing apart. Dickheads. I'm not happy. Not happy at all. So someone took it apart for whatever reason. Didn't put it back together correctly, I'm guessing. And I need to sort these mats out. These mats are not as good as they should be. So anyway, they took it apart, and it just, yeah, they just messed it up, basically. So not good, really not cool, not good at all. Yeah, not fun. So I'm just going to let this warm up. I'm going to sort this bloody mat out, because apparently this doesn't want to go down anymore for some unbeknownst reason, which is really annoying. And then we're going to drive home, and hopefully this will be good. I said to him, like I said to Jez, would that have been sapping power? Because if the ECU was running all over the place, in theory it would be sapping power. I know I look weird. I'm trying to fix this bloody thing. So I think in theory it would have been sapping some power, and he said it felt pretty quick coming back. Well, because he had to take it out basically to make sure it was all fine. There we go. Yeah, I think. So hopefully, that's way too close. It would have picked up a bit of power now. So we'll see. We will see. So many things going on in this car now, moving forwards. That doesn't feel right either. I hate it when you go out of one car and into another, and you're just like, I don't know how. It all feels weird. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna drive this, and hopefully it'll be good. And then I'll tell you what else is going on with this car, because there's still lots of stuff happening with it. It's not seeking anymore either, actually, because that's stabilised. That's really cool. But yeah, looking forward to it. We finally got baby GTR back. So yeah, let's drive it home, I guess, and see how fun it is. gents, I will say it feels faster, but obviously, you know, that might just be all in my head, in the butt dyno. But it definitely feels faster. It's still popping lots, which is good, you know, because I thought it was only going to pop because it was running rich and dumping fuel. But turns out, nope, it's just pops a lot. So Baby G is pops a lot, which I'm very happy about. So yeah, support this build by grabbing one of those awesome t-shirts. And we're about to hop on the M4 and give this car some fucking welly. You know, just after these traffic lights. What are you doing? Oh, well, we are back home now, ladies and gents. Pulsar there. Not quite outside my house. Hello, mate. How are you? You alright, buddy? You good boy? Are you running away? Oh, where are you going? What are you doing? I'm gonna go at the back. Alright. So yeah, Pulsar's back. Definitely felt faster. Definitely felt faster. 100%. Not 100% faster, but it definitely felt faster. Definitely, I need to get the speedo sorted. Speedo still doesn't work, so I need to get something in the interim. I can get an app, or I can get like a little digital dial thing. I know that. But all in all, yeah, really good. Nice to have it back. Definitely felt faster. Popped loads, like exploding fuel out the rear end, which is good. I'm happy with that. It's decatted and tuned, so that's kind of to be expected. But I did wonder whether the quantity of pops was because it was running rich. Turns out that's not the case, so really happy with that. Now, what's to happen with the Pulsar? Well, I need to finish up the driveway before I get started properly on it. But we've got a massive big brake kit, which I need to size up first, because I bought this under the proviso that it would fit on the wheels that I've got. It said that it would likely fit, or highly likely to fit. I don't know whether that's actually going to work now. Looking at the size of them and the size of the wheels, I don't know. So when I have the driveway done, the gravel car park thing in my garden, I'll be driving the Pulsar in there jacking it up, taking the wheel off, putting the caliper on. So once the caliper's on, that's kind of where it needs to be anyway. Then trying to put the wheel back on. If the wheel fits and it clears, fine, no worries, don't care, cool. We'll do the big brake kit. And then we'll do testing on that, which will be good fun. Then once that's done, we'll do structural rigidity. So we'll do the Cusco bars. They need to go on, and testing on that. I've got a place where we're going to be doing testing. It's like a two-gay sort of. It's windy, and it'll be really good fun for both things. Actually, it'll be good for braking, and it'll be good for rigidity testing. And then we've got other little miscellaneous bits and pieces. So I need to take the headliner out, strip the car down to put some brackets back in, to then put the headliner back in to make sure that's 100% finished and done. Then it never needs to come out again. I need to do new head unit, new fascia. Need to do new parcel shelf. Loads of little miscellaneous bits and pieces. Which will be good fun, and then we'll just drive it around and enjoy it in the interim as well. So there you go, Pulsar's back. Turns out the knobhead that owned the car before me, if you're watching this, you're a knobhead. You took apart the ECU for whatever reason. You're a fool. Why would you do that? Why would you sell a car with a wrecked ECU? Just a dipshit. Not cool. So next video will actually probably be the price reveal of how much this will cost. I know you guys have probably wanted to know. There's no sponsors here on the channel, hence why I'm saying, you know, buy this t-shirt if you want to support the build. It's a cool t-shirt. You won't find it anywhere else because I had it designed for me. And it's expensive, the build. So yeah, no sponsors, expensive. So support it if you want, or, you know, drop in via Patreon and things like that. It's linked down below in the description box. Follow my Instagram, Nate_carnonsense. You'll find a link to that in the description box. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Give the video a like and please do share it. Love you all. Bye-bye.